Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the versatile world of the Gocheer Airbrush Kit with Compressor, a 48 psi rechargeable cordless airbrush set designed to elevate your creativity across various projects. This non-clogging airbrush kit comes equipped with 3 precision nozzles, 0.2, 0.3, and 0.5 mm, making it perfect for everything from intricate nail art and flawless makeup application to stunning cake decoration and detailed model painting. Whether you're a professional barber looking to add artistic flair to your haircuts or a hobbyist eager to explore new artistic avenues, this airbrush kit offers the flexibility and power you need. The cordless design ensures easy maneuverability, allowing you to work without the hassle of tangled cords, while the rechargeable feature means you can take your art on the go. Designed with user-friendliness in mind, the Gocheer Airbrush Kit is ideal for both beginners and seasoned artists, providing a seamless experience with its non-clogging technology. So, if you're ready to unleash your creativity and bring your artistic visions to life, this airbrush kit is your perfect companion. Stay tuned for more exciting product reviews and tips on how to make the most of your creative tools. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.